हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का नॉलेज चैट के आज के इस सेशन में। सो माय दिस वीडियो इज सीक्वल ऑफ माय अर्लियर वीडियो हाउ टू डील विद इमोशनल पेन. So those who have not watched my earlier video can click on the eye icon in the rightmost corner of this video and watch that earlier video. Human emotions are so complex that it was not possible to cover all aspects in one video. So here I am with another video, how to develop a self-love. We all have problems. I got my problems, you may got your problems. It is a myth that there is a perfect life exists. There is no perfect life. We can't have a perfect life, but we can definitely have a happier life. It's not happy people who are thankful, but it's thankful people who are happy. And it's so much amazing that there are so many things in our life that we can be grateful for. To come out of any emotional dilemma, it is so much required to develop a self-love. So in this video, we will understand from Lucha to how to get rid of emotional pain by developing self-love. So let's start discussion. Welcome back to Knowledge Chat.
Yes, hi Kedar. Very important topic, that is self-love. So before starting or before jumping to any life incidences, I want to clear that, one important thing about self-love is that, we can create our own happiness. No one can control our happiness. It is in our hand. हम जो भी नजरिए से कोई भी सिचुएशन को इंटरप्रेट करते हैं, उसी की वजह से हम अपना हैप्पीनेस क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं और बिगाड़ भी सकते हैं. सो इट इज कम्प्लीटली इन आवर हैंड कि हम सिचुएशन को कैसे टैकल करें. कितनी भी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन हो, उसको अगर हम अच्छे पॉजिटिव नजरिए से देखेंगे तो नो वन कैन इंटरफियर इन आवर हैप्पीनेस. सो सेल्फ लव इज happiness and we can create it. That is all.
So coming to our life incidences, relationship, it is common these days, but the more common thing is breakup. Sometimes due to lack of compatibility, sometimes due to parental pressures, sometimes the one partner is cheating on another. People break up the relationship. But what is painful is the haunting memory of the bleeding thought of forever. The thought that they will be forever with that person is crushed down due to that breakup. So how to deal with that kind of pain? To get rid of the bleeding memory of forever that continuously haunts the people who broke up in the relationship.
Right, Kedar, very aptly you said that, relationships are very common these days and so are the breakups. So in this situation, I want to tell you that when we focus on emotions, बहुत ज़्यादा emotions ये वाले situation में create होते हैं, and especially negative emotions like anger, that is aggression, or guilt or irritation, feeling of injustice, sadness, etc. So the key here to handle the situation is that, you monitor your thoughts, your emotions, what you are feeling right now. You can write down if you want to. So उसके वजह से क्या होता है, हमें ये क्लैरिटी मिलती है कि हमें अभी इसी वक्त क्या महसूस होता है, कौन से इमोशंस अभी हमें महसूस हो रहे हैं. जैसे कि एंगर महसूस हो रहा है, या इरिटेशन महसूस हो रहा है, या बहुत ज्यादा दुख हो रहा है. तो क्लैरिटी मिलने के बाद जो भी इमोशन हमें अभी महसूस होता है, उसको एक्सप्रेस करने का अच्छे से अच्छा तरीका हम लोग ढूंढ सकते हैं. लेट्स टेक अ एग्जांपल ऑफ एंगर. इफ अ पर्सन इज फीलिंग वेरी अग्रेसिव, okay, about the person who has cheated him or cheated on her, whatever. So aggression or anger is the emotion which is there in his mind, his or her mind, right? So expression of anger, socially acceptable expression of anger is very important. So if you are feeling verbally aggressive, if you want to, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है गुस्सा निकालना होता है, then you can, assume that person is standing in front of you, and you can stand actually in front of the mirror and you say whatever you want. So उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, जो भी हमारा verbal aggression है, जो मन में नहीं रहता है, वो बाहर निकल जाता है. अगर आप फिजिकली अग्रेसिव हो, अगर आपको फिजिकल अग्रेशन, किसी को मारना है, ऐसी वाली फीलिंग आती है, देन यू कैन डायरेक्ट योर अग्रेशन टुवर्ड्स अ पंचिंग बैग और पिल्लो, right? So what you are doing, you are expressing what you are feeling, but it is in an appropriate way. So that is very important. Expressing at that point and expressing it in an appropriate way is the key to handle this situation. That's it. And another thing, उसके बाद क्या होता है, ये जो negative emotions एक बार express हो जाते हैं, then there are some turns which are there in this situation which feels that I am not worthy of it, मुझे कोई मिलने वाला ही नहीं है. So that's not the thing. एक ब्रेकअप होने के बाद आपकी वर्थ नहीं डिफाइन होती है. सो उसके लिए क्या करना है, सिंपल तरीका कि हर रात को write down 5 positive things about yourself or about the situation. Simply, you feel that this exercise is very stupid, or it feels like a child exercise, but it works immensely. जब भी हम 5 पॉजिटिव थिंग्स अपने बारे में लिखते हैं या अपने सिचुएशन के बारे में लिखते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हमारा पूरा अटेंशन है वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में उसको डायरेक्ट करते हैं. हमारा अटेंशन जो है वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में जाता है. तो वी स्टार्ट फील पॉजिटिव अबाउट द सिचुएशन, अबाउट योरसेल्फ, एंड यू कैन रीस्टार्ट योर लव लाइफ अगेन. सो दैट्स द की. सो पहले जो निगेटिव इमोशंस है, जो ब्रेकअप या ऐसे कुछ सिचुएशन के वजह से पॉपअप हुए हैं, उसका एक्सप्रेशन होना, और फिर ये जो निगेटिव इमोशंस चले गए तो उसके बाद खुद के बारे में we have to feel positive. That is why do this exercise, write down 5 positive things about yourself or about the situation. Then you will, you can restart your life.
So one breakup does not end your life. There are billion people on the earth. So one day you will find someone who can climb up on moon for you, right?
Right.
So coming to one of the another life instance, one-sided love. So sometimes the people we like don't like us back. It's painful. It hurts. If the person can't feel the same way about you, the person you can't stop thinking about. But in this situation, how to convince our mind and heart that love isn't about grand gestures or moon and star. It's just dumb luck. Sometimes you are lucky. You find someone who feels the same way. And sometimes you are unlucky. This person doesn't feel the same way. So how to deal with that emotional pain?
Right, Kedar, very sensitive topic to deal with, and yet very important situation. Before we start anything, I want to tell that in this particular situation, हर किसी को रिएक्ट करने से पहले थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए. क्यों मैं ऐसा बोलती हूँ? क्योंकि वन साइडेड लव के जरिए ही एसिड अटैक्स या फिर रेप होना, ये सब इंसिडेंसेस बहुत ज्यादा दिखाई देते हैं. तो बिफोर वी रिएक्ट एनीथिंग, वी नीड टू थिंक अबाउट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. सो टेकिंग अ पॉज, थिंक and then react. That's a very important thing. Second thing is that kabhi we need to accept that some things are not going to work no matter what. और हर किसी को अपनी पसंद या नापसंद डिसाइड करने का हक है, and that is perfectly okay, right? Everything is fair here. Another thing that you can discuss what you are feeling with your family members or your friends, that what you are feeling. It could be your aggression, it could be your feeling of injustice, feeling of guilt, whatever is there in your mind, you discuss it at that point. That's a very important thing. Another thing I want to highlight here, that incidences like acid attacks या फिर रेप, ये सब जो होता है, तो वो जो एनर्जी है जो वन साइडेड लव में है, हमने बहुत ज्यादा मूवीज में या ऐसे सब कुछ देखा है कि एक तरफी प्रेम की ताकत, या ये जो फिर है, ये जो भी एनर्जी है, that we can direct it to a socially appropriate ways. Like you can direct your love, you can direct your attention towards maybe an orphanage where you can love that child unconditionally. You can direct your love towards your pets. You can love that particular pet unconditionally. So what you are doing, you are not stopping yourself. You are expressing your love, but which is that expression, it's socially acceptable, right? Another important thing that किसी के चाहने से हमारी सेल्फ जो वर्थ है, मतलब हम लोग खुद क्या है, वो डिसाइड नहीं होती है. दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट अगर ये पर्टिकुलर बंदा मुझे प्यार करता है, देन आई एम सुपीरियर. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता है. बहुत लोग ये गलतियां करते हैं कि अगर ये बंदा या फिर ये लड़की मुझसे प्यार नहीं करती, देन आई एम वर्थलेस. दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. तो अगर आपको कभी मन में ऐसे थॉट्स आए कि मेरा वन साइडेड लव है या मेरा प्यार अधूरा रह गया, तो यू राइट डाउन व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग, you express, you discuss with your family. Don't be don't be in that zone that मेरे लिए कुछ भी वर्क नहीं होने वाला है. Write down positive things, read inspirational stories, positive self talk. Now there are a lot of videos and inspirational stories which are available. You read it so that you will come to know what is going on in others' life, what they have already suffered and now they are standing. That gives us inspiration and strength to stand it again, right? So you can do that. And don't shut your doors. That's very important thing. अगर ऐसा होता है कि किसी का प्यार अधूरा रहता है, then वो बंदा कभी भी किसी ये लव लाइफ में पड़ता ही नहीं है. उसको ऐसा लगता है कि अभी ऐसा ही होने वाला है. तो ये वाला एटीट्यूड इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प. सो डोंट शट योर डोर्स. जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो. जैसा होता है वो होने दो. यू कैन इन्वेस्ट योर 100% टू द राइट पर्सन, बट टिल यू हैव टू वेट दैट राइट पर्सन कभी भी आपके लाइफ में आता है, तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू वेट. सो डोंट stuck in a particular situation. You let yourself flow in the situation. That's the thing.
So thank you, Richa. So to sum up both videos, first is how to deal with emotional pain and how to develop a self-love. So it is most important to develop a self-love, to get rid of all emotional pains. To sum up all the incidences, in case of failure in examination, in case of failure in job interviews, you have to give another attempt and try harder to get success. Because yes, as I said, failure is only one step to the success. Actually, failure is a part of a success. As far as the death of the person concerned, you have to accept that the person is no more. You have to move on from that situation to get rid of that pain. That is the only your choice. Now coming to the breakup, as I said, there are lots of people out there. You have to move on, you have to go out and start loving again. And now, as you said, in a one-sided love, the acid attack and rape are the very ugly face of this one-sided love. After all, one-sided love is a desire. So it's up to you whether you have to use that desire in a constructive way or a destructive way. So as you said, you can go out, you can love, you can make the person you love happy. But most importantly, you have to accept the freedom of choice of that person you love. That is the most important thing. So now, coming to the end of this video, I want to say that we tried to cover the life instances which may lead to emotional pain, and we tried to give you the solutions from the professional psychologist. But some people are very intense in their life. This video cannot be very helpful for them, so they may require the special attention. So in the link description of this video, I have given the contact details of Rucha Kulkarni. So don't be ashamed. If you are really in a problem, contact Rucha and she will definitely help you to get out of your situation, to cure your mental illness, to get rid of emotional pain. Thank you.